Hello and welcome you all. I am Sangeetacharya Vrushali Dapke, Kathak exponent from Mumbai, and I welcome you all in my this series and new project Mana Mandira. Mind health has gained a lot of importance in today's world, especially after this pandemic. How to control your mind, how to discipline your mind are of most concerned subjects for all of us, and it is very much needed to teach our children this technique. For this, Samartha Ramdas Swami, the greatest saint of India, has already worked. He has written a book, Manache Shlok, that is Prayers for Mind, which tells us what to speak with our mind, how to control our mind, and how to discipline it in very simpler manner. These days, people think that these literatures are of spirituality, God, unrealistic. But this is a real thing which is applicable for all generation if you dig deep meaning of it. So this is my first try to express the deep meaning of these prayers which are needed for today's kids, as they are going to face many such conditions and they have to be strong. If you read this book, you will understand that these prayers are written in Marathi language. But if you understand the meaning of it, you will know that it's about mind, our human mind. And human mind is beyond culture, language, religion and country. And exactly that's why we have taken the explanations also in English so that we can reach out globally. So here I present Mana Mandira project, Conversation with Our Mind.